Can a man who lifts 200 kilograms with one hand out-clean a robot? The challenge? Return the studio floor to its original color, white. Both competitors use identical amounts of cleaning agent. To answer one simple question: who scrubs best? Delivering 50 kilograms of concentrated scrubbing pressure, the LeoScrub delivers a powerful clean without harsh chemicals and using 8 times less water than traditional cleaning robots. The result? One side perfectly white. One clear winner, the LeoScrub. Powerful cleaning that outmuscles the competition, right from the palm of your hand. LionsBot. Forward, thinking, cleaning.